to this class. In this class, you will learn how to use Photoshop tools for skin retouching. The tools available in Photoshop seem to be really powerful and can make unwanted spots, marks, blemishes, or small objects in an image disappear. It's incredible that you don't even need to use any external plugins, as the tools and default filters provided by Photoshop are sufficient to achieve great results. How to remove pimples and dark spots on face. For duplicate layer, Ctrl+J Windows or Command+J Mouse. Select the Zoom tool from the toolbar. Select the Spot Healing Brush tool J and adjust the size, mode and type. Click or drag over a problem area to clean it up. Brush tool is selected. Magnify or reduce the view of your image with the zoom tool. For brush size smaller, tap the left square bracket key. For brush size larger, tap the right square bracket key. Healing brush tool magically removes unwanted spots, marks, blemishes, or small objects in your image. Press and hold the spacebar to access the hand tool, which enables you to move around an image by pushing on it. result has arrived. Its previous image. Its final image result. Remember, its skills never end. Thank you.